Hey everyone, uh, thank you so much for your support of the 2022 Design Build Day Career and Internship Fair. So I wanted to create this video to give you kind of an orientation of how things are going to run. And then I'm going to be hosting a information session for any questions that you have in the middle of March. So the way the day is going to work is it's going to be outside. Here is a map of our Davis campus in Layton, Utah, 2750 University Park Boulevard. We are going to be out front of our Stewart Center, which used to be D3. So we'll be using this part of the parking lot you can see right here. Everybody can check in at 7 o'clock and start setting up for the day. We have it organized that if you need power, you'll need to be in this bank of tables back to back. We'll have a generator right here that is producing electricity for us, and then we'll have extension cords running down the back of this row of parking stalls. This is where we're going to have our construction demonstration area. So anybody who's bringing heavy equipment that they want to demonstrate, this is where we'll have our demonstration area for our mini excavators and our skid steers and those things that students will be lining up to do. This year we have food trucks coming. So this is kind of the layout of how we'll have the food trucks and the tables set up. That will start at 11:30 and students can eat from 11:30 to 1:30 at their leisure. And then inside the breakout rooms, so this sidewalk right here goes into the ballroom A, and this sidewalk right here goes into ballroom B. We'll have breakout rooms every 15 minutes in A and B. And to look at that schedule, we will go ahead and take a look at that schedule. Here is the schedule that we are going to be using. There was so much interest for breakout sessions that everybody only got one breakout session. So in room A, we're going to have Drew Allen and Shauna from Interior Design. I think I spelled that wrong, Shauna, I'm sorry. But we will have them be the facilitators in this room. So say at 8:25, Wadman, you're gonna wanna show up, and if you've got something that you wanna present on a screen, you can get that with them and we'll be able to get you set up. And then we ask you to keep your minutes to, or your presentations to about 10 minutes and leave 5 minutes for questions. Because the next presentation is going to start 15 minutes later. So if you can be respectful and not go over time, and then take any questions that you do have still remaining outside to answer or invite them to visit you at your booth, that would be great. So this is the order that we have arranged for your presentations. Please plan on being in those rooms to do those presentations. And then at 1:30, we will come together and do our scholarships and the prizes. We are expecting each of you to select who wins the prize from visiting your booth. So you've committed to bringing a prize that day, and we want you to come up to the front, and we'll take the partition out between the two ballrooms, and we'll invite everybody to come in. This is where we will give away our 10 $1,000 scholarships to continue their education at Weber State. And this is where you can give away your prizes as well. So please be ready at 1:30 to award whatever you have brought as the prize for visiting your booth. We suggest that you put them into a drawing if they attend your booth, and you can go about doing that. So just kind of some overall things. If you weren't aware, we are inviting all of our high school concurrent enrollment students, our technical college students, Salt Lake Community College students, and of course our Weber State students who are studying architecture, interior design, construction management, and or carpentry, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, woods, welding, heavy equipment, operator, and even automotive technology pathways will be represented. So this is in conjunction with the AGC of Utah, We Build Utah, and Utah's Architecture, Engineering, and Construction Pathways. We are looking forward to having you there. We look forward to you engaging students in your booths with some sort of hands-on activity or engagement to recruit them to come and work for you as an intern or for a job. Again, I'll hold an information session that you'll be invited to shortly that you can come and ask questions that I haven't addressed in this video. And that will be the middle of March when that is scheduled. And you'll be getting this video at the same time you're invited to that. We look forward to having you on Friday, April 1st. Please plan to come at 7 a.m. to get set up. We'll be setting up our tables and the booths and getting everybody arranged. And we'll start seeing students as early as 8 o'clock. And we'll have our presentations or our information sessions starting at 8:30 and going every 15 minutes until 1:30. Thank you.